Hello everyone, I am Shah Faisal sir here, founder of Evershine Coaching Center and YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes. I have completed my Bachelor's BE in Mechanical Engineering and Master's MTech in Machine Design. I have worked as a Student Welfare Officer, Subject Teacher and in the Indian Army MEG Bangalore Diploma Wing as an Assistant Professor. It's my privilege to welcome you all to this platform, a free initiative to crack the 10th board exam taken by Evershine Coaching Center. I'll be taking these classes in English cum Hindi, that is in both languages, and also even in Kannada language. Before I could start this session, I would like to tell you very important thing. That is, we are going to start these classes only on Sundays for the subject mathematics. Okay, many students have the doubt, so that they will be raising the queries in Quora to find the solution how I can score 100 out of 100, which are the very important questions for the board exam, which topic I have to study, which topic I should not study. Still so many doubts our students they have. So, but for most, first here you want to spend some time through this channel. You have to watch each and every video, and also you need to attend all the questions. The questions which we are giving, definitely they are going to appear in your board exam. Okay, we will be letting you know which type of questions will come. It's not like we are giving you straightforward direct same questions as like your exam. No one can do that, but still we can give you the idea like how to study. Maybe you may get the same question, sometimes the values may differ, but anyhow we will be teaching you the logics, shortcuts, okay, so that it will be easy for you people to understand the core area of the subject. Is this clear? So this is the thing what we are going to do every Sunday. These classes will be held only on Sundays on our YouTube channel, that is YouTube live classes. The timings will be updated for you all in the community post. You can just check the community post. In that the timings will be updated of every Sundays. Okay, most probably Friday or Saturday we will update you about the Sunday's timing. So do not forget to miss these classes, as these classes are very important. I hope you are understanding the importance of this channel. Okay, so we want every student to score very good marks, and here you are free to ask any doubts with respect to the subject mathematics. So definitely we are there to help you out. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes. These classes will be held in the channel Shah Sir Classes. Okay, this is our YouTube channel name. You can do subscribe to this channel, and also ask your fellow friends, even them to subscribe this channel, and click the bell icon and select all notification, so that you will be getting the instant updates and notifications from our end time to time. Don't waste your precious time. I hope this information is very clear to you all. Done. And we are doing these classes, and the students who can use these classes, that is Karnataka State Board students and also CBSE Board students, can utilize this opportunity. Thank you. Take care. We'll meet you from this upcoming Sunday. Okay, that is on this weekend, this upcoming weekend, that is on this upcoming Sunday. We are going to start up these classes. Take care. If you have liked this session, do not forget to click the like button, share, subscribe and comment how was this class and which chapter you want to make me to start in the first. You can let me know. So definitely we will go according to your need, right? Thank you, children.